Actually, I just remembered I have a poll at the DMV. Flash is the fattest guy in there. You need something done. He's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait, they are all sloths? You said it was gonna be quick.
What, are you saying that because he's a sloth he can be fast? I thought in Zootopia anyone could be anything. Flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see ya. Nice to see you too. Hey Flash, I love you to meet my friend. Darling, I've forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, CPD. How are you?
I'm doing just
Fine?
as well as I can be. What? In there. Can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run the plate.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run the place for us. We are really in a big hurry.
Sure. What's the plan?
29T
Number
29THD03.
29
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0.
3.
Hey Flash, wanna hear a joke?
No.
Sure. Okay, what do you call a free camel? I don't know. What do you call a
3 camel.
sweet hump camel? Pregnant. Ha ha ha.
Haha, yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task?
Hey,
Wait.
Priscilla.
Oh, no.
Yes, Flash.
What do
No.
you call
A 3 camel? Pregnant.
a sweet
Okay, great, we got it. Please just.
humber? Hey,
Yes, yeah, hurry.
you
Thank you. 29THD03.
go.
Actually, I just remember I have a poll at the DMV. Flash is the fattest guy in there. You need something done? He's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait, they are all sloths? You said it was gonna be quick.
What? Are you saying that because he's a sloth, he can be fast? I saw in Zootopia anyone could be anything. Flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see ya.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I love you to meet my friend. Darling, I forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, VPD, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be.
What? In there.
Can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run the plate.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run the plate for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate
290
number?
290
2 9
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0.
3.
Hey, Flash, wanna hear a joke?
No.
Sure.
Okay, what do you call three-hump camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
Three-humped camel.
three-humped camel?
Pregnant.
Ha ha ha.
Haha, yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task? Wait.
Hey, Priscilla,
Oh no.
Yes, Flash.
what do
No.
you call
A three-humped camel? Pregnant.
a three-humped
Okay, great. We got it. Please just.
Here,
Yes, yeah. Hurry.
you
Thank you. Good night, DHD 03.
go.
Early, I just remembered I have a poll at the DMV. Flash is the first guy in there. You need something done. He's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock, and every moment and every minute counts. Wait, they are all sloths? You said this was gonna be quick.
What are you saying? That's because he's slow. He can't be fast. I saw in zootopia anyone could be anything. Flash, 100-year dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I did love you to meet my friend. Darling, I've forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hubs, CPD, how are you? I am doing just fine, as well as I can be. What
Hang in there.
can I do? Well, I was hoping you could run a plate for you. Well, I was hoping you could run a plate for us. I was hoping you could today. Well, I was hoping you could run a plate for us. We are in a really big hurry. Sure, what's the plan? 29T, number 29THD 03. 29 THD 03. T HD 03. H D 03. D 03. 03.
Hey Flash, wanna hear a joke?
No. Sure.
Okay, what do you call a three-hump camel?
I don't know what do you call a three-hand camel. Three-hand camel.
Pregnant.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task? Hey. Wait. Priscilla. Oh no.
Yes, Flash.
What do no you call a three-hump camel pregnant? A three? Okay, great. We got it. Please just hand here. Yes, yeah. Hurry. You. Thank you. To my dear HD 03. Go.
I just remembered I have a poll at the DMV. Flash is the fast guy in there. You need something. I done he's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait, there are all slots? You said this way was gonna be quick.
What? Are you saying that because he's a slow, he can't be fast? I thought in zootopia, anyone could be anything. Flash, flash, 100-year dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I love you to me, my friend. Oh darling, I forgotten your name.
Officer Duty Hobbs, DPD, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be. What
On in there.
can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run a plate.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run a plate for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the play
290
number?
290 HD03.
9
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0.
3.
Hey Flash, wanna hear a joke?
No.
Sure.
Okay, what do you call a 3-horned camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
3-hummed camel.
3-hung camel?
Pregnant.
Ha ha ha.
Haha. Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task?
Hey,
Wait.
Priscilla,
Oh no.
Yes, Flash.
what do
No.
you call
A 3-hummed camel. Pregnant.
a 3?
Okay, great. We got it. Please just.
Hung. Here,
Yes. Yeah. Hurry.
you
Thank you. 290 HD03.
go.
Actually, I just remember I have a pair as the D and V. Flash is the faster guy in there. You need something down. He's on it.
I hope so. We are really finding the cooker and very many counts. Wait, they are all sauce? You say this was gonna be quick.
What? Are you saying that because he's a sloth he can't be fast? I saw in zootopia anyone could be anything.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I love you to meet you, my friend. Oh, darling, I forgot your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, ZPD, how are you?
I'm doing just
Fine?
as well as I can be. What
Here in there.
can I do?
Well, I was hoping you could run a place.
For
Right.
you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today.
Well, I was hoping you could run a place for us. We are in really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate?
290.
Number
290 HD03.
29
THD03.
T
DH03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0
3.
Hey Flash, when I hear a joke.
No.
Sure.
Okay, what do you call a sweet humping camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
3 camel.
hard column?
Pregnant.
Ha ha ha.
Ha ha. Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the text?
Hey,
Wait,
see that?
Yes, Flash.
What do you call a
Okay, great. We got it. Please just.
but here
Yeah. Hurry.
you
Thank you. T9.
go.
Actually, I just remembered I have a part at the DMV. Flash is the faster guy in there. You need something done, he's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait, they are all slow? You said this was gonna be quick.
What? Are you saying that because he's a slow, he can be fast? I saw in zootopia anyone could be anything. Fresh, 100-year dash. Party is nice to see, yeah.
Nice to see you too.
Hey, Fresh, I love you to meet my friend. Oh, darling, I forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hop, DPD, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be. What
Hang in there.
can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run the pad.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run the pad for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate?
290
Number
290 HD03.
29
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0.
Free.
Hey, Fresh, wanna hear a joke?
No.
Sure.
Okay, what do you call a free-hung camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
Free hump camel.
free hump camel?
Pregnant.
Ha ha ha.
Haha. Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task?
Hey,
Wait.
Garcia.
Yes, Fish.
What do
No.
you call
A free hump camel?
a
Pregnant.
free
Okay, great. We got it. Please just.
hump? Here,
Yes, yeah. Hurry.
you
Thank you. 290 HD03.
go.
Actually, I just remembered I have a port at the DMV. Flash is the fastest guy in there. You need something down? He's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait, they are all sloths? You said this was gonna be quick.
What? Are you saying that because he's a sloth, he can be fast? I thought in Zootopia, anyone could be anything. Flash, flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Hey, Flash. I'd love you to meet my friend. Darling? I've forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, DPD, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be.
Hang in there.
Can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run a play.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run a play for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's a play
290.
number
290 HD03.
29
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0?
3.
Hey, Flash, wanna hear the joke?
No.
Sure.
Okay. What do you call a free-hump camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
3-hump camel.
three-hung camel?
Pregnant.
Haha, yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the text?
Hey,
Wait.
Persia.
Oh, no.
Yes, sure. It's fresh.
What do
No.
you call
A 3-hump camel. Pregnant.
a three?
Okay, great. We got it. Please just.
A three? Here.
Yes, yeah. Hurry.
You
Thank you. 290 HD03.
go.
Actually, I just remember I have a pot at the DMV. Flash is the fastest guy in there. You need something done. He's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute count. Wait, they are all slots? You said this was gonna be quick.
What are you saying that because he's sloth, he can't be fast? I saw in Zootopia anyone can be anything. Flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see ya.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend. Darling, I've forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, DPD, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be. What
Hang in there.
can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run a plate.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run a play for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate
290
number?
HD03.
2 9
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
T
03.
0.
3.
Hey Flash, wanna hear a joke?
No.
Sure.
Okay, what do you call a 3-hump camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
3-humpy camel.
3-hump camel?
Pregnant.
Ha.
Haha. Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task?
Hey,
Wait.
Priscilla.
Yes, Flash.
What? 2. No. You call a 3 humping camel pregnant. 3. Okay, great. We got it. Please just here. Yes. Yeah. Hurry. You. Thank you. 290 HD03. Go.